Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to fix a common issue where OneDrive is missing from File Explorer in Windows 11 or 10. If you have noticed that OneDrive is nowhere to be found in your File Explorer, don't worry, this issue can be solved easily with a few simple steps. Let's start by checking if OneDrive is actually running in the background. First, click on the Start menu and type in OneDrive. If it appears in the search results, click on it to open it. If it opens normally, great, your OneDrive should now show up in File Explorer. If it doesn't show up, let's move on to the next step. Sometimes OneDrive might be disabled, so we need to make sure it's set to start automatically. Right-click on the Start menu and select Task Manager. Once the Task Manager opens, click on the Startup tab. Look for Microsoft OneDrive in the list of startup programs. If it's disabled, right-click on it and select Enable. Still no luck? No problem. The next thing to check is whether OneDrive is properly connected to your Microsoft account. Open Settings by pressing Windows I and go to Accounts. So under your info, make sure you're signed in with your Microsoft account. If you're not, sign in and then check if OneDrive reappears in File Explorer. If it's still missing, let's reset OneDrive. Press Windows R to open the Run dialog and type in %localappdata %/Microsoft/OneDrive/onedrive.exe/reset and press Enter. This will reset OneDrive and hopefully it will reappear in File Explorer. It might take a few minutes, so be patient. Lastly, if OneDrive is still missing, try reinstalling it. To do this, open Settings again. Go to Apps, find OneDrive in the list, and click Uninstall. After uninstalling, go to the Microsoft Store, search for OneDrive, and reinstall it. That's all there is to it. Follow these steps, and you should have OneDrive showing up in File Explorer again in no time. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.